Here we have my first cabinetry project, as well as a first real modification for the MacGregor 26D. This is the exact size of the hole where the alcohol stove was. What I've done is I've made a 7-inch deep storage box divided in half, lots of holes for passing electrical through, and I'm going to put in a ground bus and a couple of other things inside of here to organize the electrical. But also, you're thinking, what are these holes for? These holes allow me to mount a stove on top of this box. If I get them in the right order. One, let's see, forward, two, starboard, three. And the stove fits right snugly inside of there. The gas line comes out the side, and that will actually keep it forward and aft stable. And of course, I've got finger holes to open the drawers. You won't do that while the stove is on. And there's enough space for the propane bottle to sit right here. Put it away, super easy. Pull the stove, pull the side guides, open up the storage compartment, which is big enough for the stove. Put in the stove, put in the guides, put in the propane tank adapter, and even the propane tank. And the whole thing shuts. And you can put even more stuff on top. Pretty nifty. Now all I have to do is just wire the electrical on this side. No small task, of course.